Hello, welcome to Smart Wave YouTube channel. In this channel, we'll be teaching you everything concerning tech, from website development, from data science, data analytics, publishing. Now, for this lesson, I'll be taking you throughout Amazon publishing or generally publishing. My name is Francis Royce. I'll be taking you on Amazon publishing. Now, after this video, we'll create a playlist in which anytime you need anything concerning Amazon, the latest things concerning Amazon, you can easily come to this playlist and look for it. Okay, so today I'll be teaching you on how to design your paperback and hardcover. I noticed that people find it very hard to design these things after writing their book for Amazon KDP. Now, you can see I've already published this book actually. So please, if you want to write about this, you can actually change the topic and research about it and write on it. Don't choose this and write on it. Amazon will flag you because I've already published that. You can see it's already been published. Let me show you. You can see the book is already been published not long time ago. So I'll be showing you on what to do if you want to design your paperback and also your hardcover for Amazon KDP. Now you can see what I love doing. You can see my book page number, which is from 2 to 130. Now what I do first is, first of all, I'll go to this website. I have it here, KDP calculator. You can type it out, KDP calculator. If you don't know the website, let's type it out. Then you can see this first one. Click on it. When you click on it, this will appear. First of all, what you have to do is this: click on paperback, click on black and white. If it's black and white, yes, white paper, left and right, inches, because I'm using, this is A5, I'm using A5, and it's 6 by 9 inches, 6 by 9 inches A5. Now, due to this page, my page is 130. What I will do is, what I will add extra thread to it. I normally do this so that Amazon will not find any reason to tell me that my cover is not worth it. Now, when I do this, I'll calculate. When I calculate, are you seeing this? So let's go to my Canva. Where is it? Let's open my Canva. Now, this is my Canva. I've already designed on this book. I've already designed the, what's it called, the Kindle version of it. So, but I'm focusing more on the paperback and hardcover of this book in this video. So what I will do is this: I will copy this, actually put it here. Okay, let's create first here, change this to inches. I will put it here. This for the height, I will copy it. I think people really find it hard to create paperback and hardcover than normal cover. Now I'll click on create. When I click on create, what name should we give this? Okay, let's give this paperback tutorial P. Now this is it. So next thing we'll do, you have to download the templates. Now this template shows you the measurement. Remember, Amazon is showing you on this picture, this is the line, this line, that no letter should enter this line whenever you are doing your design. So what I have to do now is, you can see it has downloaded. What I need to do is go to my download file. This is it here. Let me extract this. Open with WinRAR. Let me extract it. This particular one, paperback. This particular one. If you don't have WinRAR on your system, this is in PNG format. Please try and download WinRAR. So let's extract this to the desktop where I can easily see it. Now let's go back to this place. Let me check my Oh, let me check my desktop. This is it. Okay, I drag it to this place. You can see. Now, if you zoom this, they are telling you that this paperback is 6 by 9, and you can see the 12.5 and 9.25 that we copied earlier for our measurement. I put it this way. Now, this line are telling you that no write up. Your write up should always be at the middle. No write up should enter this line. So let me, even though I have uploaded it before, if you see I have uploaded this before, I have uploaded it here before, so you can easily click on upload, look for the file where it is. Here I have it here. I don't want to upload it again. Here, and also it has uploaded. Now click on this. Okay, here you can see something like 3D here, right? Now I'll be teaching in our subsequent videos. I'll be teaching you how to do some of these things if you need them. And you can see that my Canva is also pro. Like and subscribe to this YouTube channel if you want to know how to get Canva Pro for free, and also a lot of things I'll be teaching you concerning Amazon. In our next video, I'll be teaching you how you can publish on Amazon, and also how you can write on Amazon KDP without being flagged. You can see on this account, I opened this account. Where is it? This year. You can see I've published no less than 52 books here, or 53 books here, and I have not been flagged on this account. In my two accounts that I had previously, I have been flagged numerous times. So I have to do my own research and know, okay, this is what I'm not doing right. Now I'm doing everything right in the account. Now back to our design. This is it. I can easily draw it this way, or let me put it this way. Let me delete this. Let me put it, I don't want it to put it this way. This. Now, what next do you need? Let me put this. This is the simplest way to design this. This. Cover it. Send it back. Use it. Now you can add anything. For example, I was writing about soap. You can see my topic, soap artisan crafting. So I looked for, in element, I looked for soap. This is how I got this. I used this actually. To cover this up. Now this is where you design your paperback. Now if you want to download your paperback, you don't download it in form of JPEG or PNG. You download in form of PDF. Everything about paperback hardcover is what PDF. Now for the purpose of this video, I will download this as JPEG. I usually do it though. I will download it as JPEG first so that I can use it for my hardcover. I will draw this because I'm using Pro. That's why you are seeing this. Now subscribe to my YouTube channel, as I said before, if you want to see how I cracked some of these things and use them for free. Now I will download this as JPEG, but if you want to upload it on your Amazon, download it as PDF print. Is download it as PDF print, which is this. Click here, which is PDF print. Then use CMYK. It's best for professional, but if you don't have it, maybe you're not using Pro, you can also use this, but this is best for professional. You download. Now you can see that our JPEG paperback tutorial has been downloaded. Now let's work on our, what's it called, our hardcover. Now here you come back to your cover, click hardcover. You can see everything remains the same. You still select your paper size and leave it at 133. I always add 3 anytime I want to publish. If my page is the same way, my page is 130, I will always add 3 to it. Now you can see this. Then I will click calculate this, copy, go back, click this, paste it, come here, copy this for my hardcover. Remember this. Then I'll create. Our PDF has finished downloading. We'll preview them later on, but let's focus on this. Okay, let me copy this and change it to, okay, let me just write it hardcover hardcover tutorial, right? Now what do we do next? We also download the template here. Are you seeing? We have downloaded the template. It started with C. Let's check on our download list. Let's refresh. Then we'll extract it WinRAR as usual, the PNG version. Extract desktop. Let's quit this. Let's close this. Let's go to this place. You see, this is the second one. Started with C. Paperback started with P. C. Then we can drag it inside, or we can also click here, go to desktop and look for it. You can see it here and upload it anyhow you want to do it. Do the same thing we did with, but you can see the difference between hardcover and paperback. You can see this is the line in between is more narrow here on paperback, but on hardcover is more wider. So here we can actually delete this. Okay, so let me upload that paperback tutorial we uploaded. Are you seeing it? A JPEG. Instead of starting from beginning to redesign our cover, we'll do this. It has finished uploading. We'll click here. There's one thing I do. I make sure that my right top doesn't exceed that line. I draw it. I still what? Shift it. It doesn't really matter. I'm looking at this line here so that this right top will not enter that line, because if it enters you have issue with Amazon. Then I'll click it on Medo this way. Then what's next? I'll cover it up. Now when Amazon, they are printing on Amazon, they don't really need all this. They will actually cut off all these places, so you don't need to worry about extending it and all that. No, you don't need to worry about that. So this will send it back. Let's make sure that the color rhymes this. So this is for our what? Hardcover. You can see our hardcover. So this is it. You can download it as also what? PDF print here. CMK download. Remember, anything concerning paperback, even your write-up, your book, anything concerning paperback is PDF. It's PDF. So paperback, hardcover is PDF. They are all PDF. The hardcover, the back cover, the book itself should be in PDF form whenever you are you want to upload your books. In our next video, I'll be teaching you how to upload your books and everything. So today you can see how we did this. Very easy to do. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to learn more about Amazon KDP and other lot of things. I promise you will not regret it. Share, like. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Share, subscribe. As I said, this is Smart Wave. In this Smart Wave, we bring you many contents making money about money and tech. Bye.